Hello friend, in this video we see the features of Python one by one. The first feature is high level programming language. High level programming language means it's very closer to the human language. It is like a normal English language. If you see the Python syntax, it is like a normal English language. Second, Python is a free and open source. Python is a free means there is a no need to pay money for installing a Python, and one can easily download it from any websites. Third, Python is a simple as compared to the other languages like C, C++, and Java. The syntax of Python programming is very simple. The reason behind that, there is a no need of declaring variable in Python. In a single statement, the user can express the complex operations, and there is a no need of opening and closing brackets in Python like C and C++. Error checking and high level data types. High level data type. Python offer more effective error checking than the C. Python having built-in high level data type, for example dictionary and flexible arrays, because it is more general data types. Fifth, Python is a platform independent languages. Python is a platform independent. It means you can write your Python program on any operating system and you can run it on any machine which has a Python. Python run on any operating system like Windows, Unix, DOS, etc. Means if you write the Python program in a one platform, you can run into the another platforms. User friendly. Python language is having the features of abstraction and hiding of the detail which make it more user friendly. In Python, you can divide your program into the modules and that can be used in other Python programs. Python is having a very large collection of module. User can use these module on the basis of their programs. Python provide module for a system calls, file IO, socket and interface to the GUI kit such as a TK. Extensible. If you can have a good knowledge of C programming, then it is easy to add new built-in function or method or module to the interpreters. Python is object-oriented. Python support the object-oriented concepts. Thank you. Thanks for watching.